And this is Kids Ideas. We live in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and it is 20 below. We are going to show you how water freezes before it hits the ground. And that's how water freezes before it hits the ground. We will see you on the next episode, people.
Hold
Come
on.
I opened the door.
Alright, so y'all, we out here. It is 20 below. If y'all see that negative 20. We out here, Kids Ideas. We're gonna well, I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'm not. I'm just
No,
throw
bad idea. So listen, what I'm gonna do is what we're gonna do.
We're gonna throw the pot on the ground to see if it freezes.
Well, we're gonna throw it up in the air and we're gonna try to catch it on camera, y'all. Here we go, ready? Whoa!
I'm scared.
You scared? What you scared of?
It froze. No!
Wow, so, yep, well, look on the ground. Not too many water droplets. That was a full pot. And it only got a couple droplets. So what do y'all got to say about that?
And it fell down, so it didn't. That's how water freezes before it hits the ground. We'll see you on the next episode, people. We'll fire it up tomorrow if you want to watch tomorrow. I'm not watching that.
So who is y'all?
I'm Janaya Starks. I'm Jayanna Starks. And this is Kids Ideas. And the next episode. If you want to see it on YouTube, just click on YouTube. Daddy will be on there, and you'll kind of see our videos right there.
And what's y'all channel name?
Kids Ideas.